Today I will show you how to make pen stand. For that you will be needing a paper. We are going to make the paper tubes. We will take a refill and start rolling. See? Roll and make the tube, and end of the paper stick it, and we will glue it. Remove the refill and give it aside, and see, you will get a long tube. Now make many. Keep it aside. Now we are going to take an empty shampoo bottle and cut it. We will mark it first. Mark and cut it. So I have cut it. Now we will take the paper tubes which we have made. Now do the same to the entire bottle. After covering it with paper tubes, now you can color it. I am using a green color. After painting it, you can take any decorative lace and just stick it. And to make it more attractive, taking some small decoratives and just stick on it. Okay, stick on them. Sticking them. You can make some designs and also stick it, but I like to stick it like this. Okay, stick it over here and one over here. Stick it and let dry. Hope you enjoyed my videos. If enjoyed, please share and subscribe to my channel Crunch Craft. And for now, bye.